This kindergarten math bundle has everything you need to teach the standards in a fun, hands-on way. This bundle has 5 math units: measurement and data, counting and cardinality, operations and algebraic thinking, geometry, and number and operations in base 10. 5 units to target each of the 5 Common Core kindergarten math domains. All units are aligned to the Kindergarten Common Core standards. They come with standards checklists that are a helpful tool for both you and parents to know what students are expected to master in each unit. Pre- and post-assessments that are aligned to the standards are a valuable tool for you to measure student growth throughout each of the 5 units. Give the pre-test before you teach the unit, and then follow up with a post-test to see what students have mastered and the standards they still need additional support with. Everything included is also closely aligned to most state standards. All 5 math units come with engaging hands-on math centers to practice the standards. They are easy to prep for you, and students love to master new skills using these fun activities. These can be used year-round in your classroom. Worksheets that are standards-based and sequential are included in every unit. There are so many to choose from to provide scaffolding and support for all students at every level. Included in this bundle are over 600 pages of printable assessments, standards checklists, worksheets, activities, and math centers. Teachers love how organized and easy to use this math bundle is. Materials are standards-based and ready to print and use in your classroom. Read the reviews. You will not be disappointed. Additional support is available directly on our website, keepingmykidobusy.com. Click Kindergarten at the top and scroll down to Math.